Hello guys, this is the first prototype for Small Rita. It's based on 6 channels of LEDs and active infrared sensor. Because of the active infrared sensor, the interaction happens over a certain distance, namely 1.5 meters in this prototype. But it occurs in a small defined area because of the infrared, and I will explain more about the choice of the sensor in this project in my email that I'm gonna write. Let me show you how it is. So when the user is in the specified distance, the LEDs are turned on, and when he gets out, they turn off. And the main behavior is going to be like this, and it's easily replicatable to more LEDs, but you need Arduino Mega for more. The Uno supports only 6 channels of dimmable LEDs. And let me also show you a bit in detail just in case. And here's the active infrared sensor. Here's the breadboard with Arduino and LEDs. Just to give you an idea. As you can see, I'm testing it with my hand because it works on a specified distance. But the behavior seems to be fluid. Now I will also try the same behavior with this passive infrared sensor and see how it works with it. See you.